Hello, this is your gentle farmer, Edu Abibiu. Okay, it's an pese me chere se na eku akoko. To me frɛ madam for yi so omra na me chere ne se na eku akoko. To ofa ne sika mfi ne fie mra. Hwɛ se na oya akoko yi. Waso akoko ne kon no mia, sa na ne sika na no nyena. Oh. Endi oye akoko ne kra brɛ wo ne nsem. So be ne den. Kakran no timi ku akoko ne wi edu me so. Timi so me ba be kumedie. Ba be twa me die ti. To me bo. So this is how normally I slaughter my bears. So if you want to slaughter a bear, please gently get these cones, hang them up. Let them relax. You need not to chase the animal. When after you finish chasing it, you can put it down for it to rest for some time before you slaughter. So after I finish slaughtering, I place them into the chicken plucker. Yes, I've removed them and put them into the chicken plucker. So you could see. So the chicken plucker is going to remove all the feathers. So after removing the feathers, then I will go and bisect it. And me patching and say me you try ni TV and then in beshe machine. I have friend the chicken plucker. The two akoko no kama. The two no we are. Na makoko papa ni mu. And then friend is saying akoko lai soup. Mr. Wa like me videos, ne follow me, madam.